third week of my post-show recovery phase. I've been hovering very stable with my weight around 59.5, 60.2 kilos, which has proven that my body weight has stabilized after a few days of adapting to a new higher calorie range. But I have been keeping myself accountable and proactive at trying to gradually adjust my training volume as well as my energy expenditure, because this is such a very delicate time where you are more propense to gain more body fat because your body's just like a sponge. You have to be very intentional and very mindful to planning slowly winding down from a lot of cardio and a lot of training. Some more biofeedback, I have been feeling really good. My sleep is not there yet, but my appetite has gone down decently. Still not there yet where I could say I have no appetite whatsoever. My cravings though have gone really, really well in terms of how much more manageable they are. I'm not thinking about food all the time. I'm not food focused or thinking about highly palatable foods, tasty foods, or that cookie, or having chocolate, or things that I would normally not eat on a regular basis. But when I was at the end of the prep, only I could think about was having chocolate, having things that were just crazily strange for me, but I was just so desperate, which I no longer have, which this is a really good sign. Energy-wise, I feel so much better. From 1 to 10, I could say I'm probably around 6, 7. Not there that I could say I am so energetic, but I am much more like myself. I am able to go to the gym, train with more intention, with more energy. I'm not dragging myself throughout the day. Like I felt like before I was carrying a bag of stones everywhere. My legs were always so fatigued. Now I am feeling like I'm recovering better, performing better overall. So all these different parameters are signs that things are in the right direction. Taking it proactively and progressively where it needs to be, but it's going well.